Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to renew Etisalat SIM card online in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your Etisalat UAE application on your phone. Now the application's interface is going to look something like this. Over here, tap on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the option of login with UAE pass. So when you do this, you will be redirected here inside your account, where in the quick access option, you will see the option of mobile registration renewal. So you need to simply tap on this particular option. After tapping on this option, it is going to ask you to select an account. So you need to select the account that you want to renew your new Emirates ID. After doing this, simply approve the document sharing in the UAE Pass application. So follow further instructions in order to request the document sharing and confirm the UAE Pass application. Then simply review the details and submit the request. So as soon as you submit the request, just after a few minutes, you are going to get approval. Will get an SMS or the app notification confirming that your renewal or the KYC is updated successfully. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.